Hey everyone, just want to make a quick video on how to add background music to your Instagram reel. It's pretty simple to do, so I'll go ahead and show you how to do it right now. So right here we have the Instagram app open, and what we want to do is go to the center bottom icon that has the plus. Go ahead and tap on that. Next I'm going to select reel, and then I'm going to select a video to upload as a reel. So I'll just select this one and then click on next. After we're here, we can go ahead and tap where it says next. And now from here, what we want to do is tap on the top where we see this music icon. And this is going to let us add music to our reel. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose a random one. So now we can actually go ahead and adjust where to choose the part of the reel that we want to add this music to. After we do that, we can click on done. And then we want to tap on edit video at the bottom left. And now we can see the background music that we added to our video is showing up right here. If we tap on it, we can go ahead and adjust the volume. We can also add in fades. So we can adjust it to fade in or fade out. We can also replace the song. So if we don't want this song and we want something else, we can go ahead and choose something else. Select where we want it to show up in the reel. And then now we can see that the new song that we just added has been added in place of the old song that we had on our Instagram reel. So now if we go ahead and tap the next arrow at the top right, we can go ahead and go through the process of sharing our Instagram reel. So if this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.